What is going on, guys? Sentinel here. Welcome to another video. Today we got some Madden 25 franchise for you. This year we are doing Denver Broncos franchise. I didn't do a franchise last year. I just had a lot of mental stuff going on, and I just needed a break from YouTube. We are back with franchise. Sorry, I had to turn the music down quick. Just losing my mind. That's one of my cats meowing. Sorry about that. But yeah, do franchise again. We did Jets franchise 2 years ago, so in 2022. Series did really good, and I was hoping we could do again last year, but we moved, as you can tell, a whole different setup and everything. Yeah, we're back, and my Denver Broncos suck, so I was like, perfect. Man 25 looks really good this year. Let's give my Denver Broncos the chance to go back and get another Super Bowl. So these are the settings that we're rocking. Obviously, all Madden simulation. We are going to start with 8 minutes. We'll kind of adjust from there, see how the first couple games go, and go from there. All pretty much standard settings. I didn't really touch much. I think all that I touched was the time. Use CPU only for that. Everything else should be fine. I just went and made my coach ahead of time, so we didn't have to deal with all that. Yeah, we'll take a look at the team here right away. I'm not gonna sign any free agents right away. Just because, Justin Simmons, Stephon Gilmore, we could juice up our safety, get Jamal Adams in there, get Justin Simmons back, but we'll let the computers take what they want, and we'll kind of deal with some scraps afterwards, at least for this first week. So yeah, taking a look at the team here. Obviously we've got Bo Nixley in the charge, Zach Wilson and Jared Stidham in the back, Javonte Williams starting running back, Samaj Perine, backup Jaleel McGoffin, and Estime. It's the third and fourth string running backs. And we got Cortland Sutton, Tim Patrick, Josh Reynolds, Marvin Mims, Troy Franklin, and Phil Dorsett. Offensive line, not horrible. Obviously, Greg Dulcich at tight end. I think I'm going to end up either cutting or trading Perine, Tim Patrick. I don't know what I want to do with Cortland Sutton yet. He's getting pretty old, but he is still really good. Defensively, got a lot of stuff to do. Pat Surtain, obviously, he's staying. Linebackers, we need linebackers really bad. Especially after this year. Like, this year we can maybe roll with these guys, but after this year we need to do a whole lot in the draft and hope that it's a good linebacker class. But yeah. Chris Abrams drain. I would like to get him up to eventually be the second corner on this team. And yeah, that's what our team is looking like right now. So yeah, first week I won't get free agents. I'll let CPUs get who they want the first week, and then after that it's a free-for-all. Going up against the Colts in week 1 of preseason here. And defend the inside run looks good to me. Run inside, I'm cool with that. These 3 for upgrades, yeah, we'll do those. Let's see. I do want to get 2 passing touchdowns. That'll be the goal this week. We'll look at Bo Nix. Alright. I'm just cutting that all out of the video because that was terrible by me. So yeah, we're just gonna skip the training. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna show the freaking. I don't know if I'm gonna show me doing training camp because that was for shoulder strain for Mike McGlinchey and Pert. It's a PCL strain. All right, no other injuries. We're good. Some player upgrades here. Ben Powers. Let's auto upgrade that. Yeah, let's get into these moments here, shall we? Edit unis. Can we do all whites? Let's go with that. Kind of looks ugly as hell, but whatever, dude. Whatever. Alright. First time we get to see Bo Nix in action here. He looked really good preseason week 1. So let's see if that can translate to Madden here. He's going to scramble. Get 9 onto the ground. Not a bad start for the rookie. Gonna hit Tim Patrick. Nice little turn up field. Up to 36. That's what we like to see. I guess the last play's under review. That I stepped out probably? I did. Alright. Go with the run with Williams here. Okay. Nice little gain of 4. Not bad. Let's see. Try and hit Dulcich on the zig here. Nope. Just gonna take off with Nix again. Gotta get out of bounds. Out at the 40. Another good run from Nix. If I had to imagine, he's gonna be the starter this year. Unless maybe we start Wilson. Oh! Big hit on Williams. Knocks the ball out. This could be incomplete. I think it's trying to show me the draft class, but it's broken. But yeah, maybe we start Zach Wilson. Have Bo Nix as backup. I don't know. We'll see. Gain of 3 with Williams on that run. Then we're going to put Reynolds on a drag. Williams can block. Look at Dulcich here. That. I tried to throw that to Sutton. I hit the wrong button. Bad decision making by me. I thought Sutton was X over there. Big bad play by me. Richardson now. Big hit by Singleton. Taylor doesn't go down, bounces off, and gets a first there. Put us on defense here again. Singleton now in coverage. Levi Wallace is... I'm assuming that's Levi Wallace? I don't know. Totally just went a whole different direction. Not where I thought he'd go. Alex Singleton with the sack there. Good play by Singleton. Ooh. Sertan with the big hit on Alex Pierce. Alec Pierce knocks the ball loose. That's going to be 3rd and goal. Hits JT in the pylon. It's going to be a touchdown for Indy. Let's see here. Probably Sutton. I'll make sure to hit the right button this time. Little underthrown. It'd be 4th and 5. Take us off. Bring the defense back out now. Gonna go for a blitz on Flacco. The rookie. A little bit out of reach. Should have been a pick though. Who do we got in now? Zach? Stidham? Oh, it's Zach Wilson now. Zach out to McLaughlin, and McLaughlin gets railed. Coughs the ball out. Fumble. Indy takes over. Now looking good in our first game here. Kind of what I expected out of this team, though. Maybe it's me. It's probably me. And the rookie gets cooked. But he knocks the ball out. It's going to be incomplete. Good play by Chris there. We only need one. Probably just run it with P. Ryan here. He's going to get the first. Up to the 46. Samaj, P. Ryan. The first down. Zach Wilson with the chance here to score. Gonna hit Franklin. It's picked off at the goal line. Sounds about right, but we stop him at the 1. Don't matter. Jalen Jones with the pick there. All the way to the 3rd quarter now. In the red zone again. Zach scrambling. They get up to the 4-yard line, push out of bounds. And get Troutman on the drag here. Nice little dump off to Philip Dorsett. I feel like any other Madden right there, that shit's getting... I'm not throwing that ball in any other Madden, really. Probably getting hit. Into coverage, but Dorsett comes down with it. Could be 1st and goal from the 4 again. We just saw this. He's gonna dump it off to Troutman. Adam Troutman with the touchdown from Zach Wilson there. Just like that, 2 big touchdowns from Zach Wilson. Trying to prove that he's a starter here. That's a sack. What am I doing? What am I doing? I look for Troy Franklin. So we're going underneath the Troutman. The turn up field. Up to the 29, makes it 3rd and 8. That's a bad ball again. 4th and 8 from the 29. Letting us punt. Have not used this new kicking meter yet. That's kind of weird for punts. I feel like it should all be in one spot, not, you know, the power bar at the bottom. Or I don't remember. Power bar, then accuracy. It's a throwaway from Flacco there. It'll be 2nd and 10 from their 35. Alright, McMillan with the push down. Muscle cramps. Bring Perkins in. Don't need to try and make that worse. 2-minute warning now. No good. Oh, they're gonna call pass interference on me. All right. Jonas Griffith with a smack there. So I really just threw it at my face, but it worked. Picks up the first. And they got an injury. Borthole. Chris Abrams drained with the pick. He's going to take this out. Yeah, get up to the 20. Nice pick there from the defense. Alright. Let's run this clock out and we should be good to go. I will see you guys in the next game. Yeah, just came. We're back in this game. Ended up fumbling, so that's fun. Injury timeout. Alright. Didn't even see who it was because I skipped it. It's my bad. They get the tackle. Less than a minute to go here. They're going hurry up 3rd and 8. Alex Singleton hits the ball out. Stopping the clock. 4th and 8. 48 seconds left. Gotta line up in man here. Chris with another big play. Gets the pass break up. That's gonna end the game there for real this time. No, if they don't have any timeouts to stop us, unless we fumble again, but one more play and that'll do her. Jesus. But slob one up at the last second here. Unless they return this, that would not be good. Whoa! Thormachenmerker with the big hit, causing a fumble. Get the win here, 16-12. Do our upgrades. Look at what free agents are available. Go and take on the Packers. I do need a light. Yeah, I'm Troutman. I feel like there's going to be another upgrade next week. A couple upgrades maybe. 2 injuries. Let's see what those are. Glynchy out for a week. Marvin Mims out for 7. Oh, man. That's a big one. Kurt out for a week. Roach out for 3. Drew Sanders. Oh, man. Out for 29. 29. Alright. Well. Storylines. We got 2, coordinator and a player. Ready for the press conference this week. I assume they're going to ask about position battles. They might. Just be careful what you commit to if they do. Got it. Alright. What are we committing to, boys? Press conference. Training camp. Next question. We should be having a left end position battle according to most experts. Which stat will determine the winner battle between John Franklin Myers and Matt Hensington? Let's go with most sacks. That'll work. No more questions. I am excited though. I never get to use my last name in Madden because it's Willie, obviously, and another term for Willie is Wiener. Madden don't like that. This year, I actually got to do it online. Usually I have to go offline to use my full name, which is why when we did Jets franchise, I was Jeffrey Winsome, but this year I was like, I'm going to test out my real name. It worked. Coach, my agent's been telling me that my personality can be a problem. There may be some truth to that. No? Oh. Obviously, we want Sertan to be a team leader. Alright, he's changed his personality to be a team leader. I feel like that maybe is what he already was, but maybe I'm tripping. Stupid upgrades this week, alright. We'll do the weekly strategy and then I'll see you guys in the game. Alright, we actually got some good upgrades here. So we got Bo Nix. I think we're going to give him Field General. Already got his face scan in the game. Face scan in the game. It's always nice to see right away. Chris Abrams Drain. Give that boy man to man. Troy Franklin. We're going to go deep threat on him, get that up to 70 right away. Who else we got? Riley Moss. I think we'll just do Riley and then get rid of the rest. You don't have face scan. Alright, rest are just going to be auto upgrades. Yeah. Alright. Preseason game 2 against the Packers. We are at home. We'll kind of sit and watch this intro. Those of you that don't know, I am from Wisconsin. My whole family are Packer fans. I'm obviously the odd one out being a Bronco fan, so. Obviously have a little love for the Packers. being home state team. I did like them growing up in the Amon Green era. After he retired, I can't wear that number. We are gonna have to change that. I did notice that when I did played like one game, I think, just to kind of get used to it before starting the recording. And yeah, I did Packers versus Broncos and noticed that he was number 12, and just gotta get that changed to 17 because that's Pratt, the rookie. So that's definitely not a number he's allowed to use. All right, 2nd and 10 for Bo Nix. I still throw to Tim Patrick. It was a little underthrown. Probably could have been let out a little bit more, but he caught it nonetheless. He's gonna get sacked. I was waiting for Sutton there. Took a little too long on the read. Tried to get off to Patrick, but Lucas Van Ness there taking me down. 2nd sack this drive for him. They're launching deep for Josh Reynolds. Hit away by Valentine. Why are we playing the full drive here? This is still driving me crazy. Oh, I totally misread that. Am I just playing offense? What's going on here? No, because it's 30 inches. Javonte can't power through. Gets stopped by Quay Walker. And met by one of the defensive tackles. Jair on Tim Patrick on the side. Couldn't get it off. Sean Gary there. Oh, not good start. Not a good start again. This Packers team is going to be dangerous next year. Of course, Jordan Love turned up at the pretty much the whole season. I mean, he struggled a bit in the beginning, but mid-season to the end of the year, he just went lights out, bro. I don't know. Then they get Josh Jacobs in there. Yeah, I don't know. I'm excited for him. My Broncos, on the other hand, I don't know. Defense needs a lot of work. I mean, they got guys, but they're older guys, right? Offense is, you trade Jerry Jeudy. He hasn't produced, right? But he also hasn't had a solid quarterback in starting 3 years. I mean, you look at Cortland Sutton last year with Russ. I mean, Russ wasn't horrible last year, right? Sutton made unbelievable catches. If Jeudy did that, it might have been the other way around. You know, Sutton might have been traded, Jeudy would have stayed. It's a false start on us. Oh god, but yeah, who knows? It is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm not the coach of the Broncos, but it's not how I would have ran things. But I guess we'll see how I would have ran things, huh? Thought that went right into my arms. Christian Watson with the catch. It looked like he was injured. Guess we'll see. They'll cut back from Who's that? Romeo Dobbs. Oh, Zager out for a tutty. 2-minute warning. We are in the red zone, it looks like. 20-0. Green Bay on top. Just outside the red zone at 21. 31. See what Bo Nix says here. Probably should have just took off and ran with that. Or hit Sun coming across the field. Probably would have worked too. Looks like they're having us go for it here on 4th and 1. Oh, come on, man. First and 10 from our own 4. Probably just got to throw it up to Sutton. There we go. Nice first. Up to the 26 now. Looking for Dulcich here probably. Bad pass. Thank you for not picking that off. Oh, what am I doing? What am I reading here? Just anticipating. That I thought he was going straight up. And they're gonna house that. Alright. Yeah. Eric Stokes with the pick 6 there. We don't like to see that. Zach Wilson. Go bench here. Bill Jordan Humphrey. Catch. Troutman just underthrown, picked off. Oladipo? Jesus. The jump scare me in Madden, bro. There we go. Philip Dorsett with the catch from Zach Wilson for the touchdown. Seems to be the trend here in preseason. Philip Dorsett from Zach Wilson for a tutty. Oh, I didn't mean to do that, but Lil Jordan Humphrey there with the catch. Picks up a nice first down. Zach with the dump off. Is that Troy Franklin? Nice grab there on the sideline. Is that P-Ron coming across? Zach's going to take off, get the first. Not quite out of bounds, just going to take the hit. So basically a 2-minute warning. 27-7. We'll see if Zach Wilson can score another touchdown here. Yeah, I'm gonna end up adjusting when I'm editing this, and figure out what I gotta do. I got the air conditioner running in here. It's hot as hell. So obviously there's gonna be some background noises video, but yeah, this is my first video in this new house, so new setup completely. And yeah, so you gotta figure out all the settings yet, but hopefully you guys are here for it, excited for it. So I'm excited. I'm glad to be back. And yeah, I think the schedule right now is gonna be Madden Monday, Wednesday, and then just like a fun game Friday, It's pretty much gonna be any game with Sean, pretty much. So Rocket League, Counter Strike, anything goes. And then Saturdays, we're gonna be doing Silent Saturdays. For those who've been around for a while, you know what that is from our Silent Force channel. We did end up making a new channel, and we're gonna start that back up. It's gonna be just a little podcast between me and Sean. Sometimes my younger brother Mason will join us. I don't know what's going on with that, so we're just gonna go end the game here. So we're pretty much there anyways. Michael Pratt, I gotta go through and change that jersey number on him. He can't be wearing number 12, bro. I don't know if he's even gonna make the Packers team, but maybe we leave it. Oh, I gotta check free agents too. Do that quick. Free agency is still available. Andre Diggs, Micah Hyde. What do we need? Let me go see what we need first, and then kind of go from there. Free safety. Did the Broncos cut Kane Stearns real life? Because if they did, I need to do that too. Okay, he went to the Eagles. We cut him, he went to the Eagles, so we do need to sign a free safety. We are going to cut him, so it's as true as possible. Right, we're just gonna... What can we get for him? Nothing. Just give me that. Thank you. We get a 7th round pick out of him. Instead of just cutting him. So I clicked the wrong button, but... So we got Turner Yell at free safety now. If we can get a free safety... Center maybe? I don't know. Could go Micah Hyde. He is old. He just could be 1 year. We'll take him. I don't think he's signed anywhere right now, so that should be okay for us to take. Pat Peterson, also old. Xavier Howard wouldn't be bad. Go on the other side of Pat Surtain. He is old, but he's not horrible. We'll take him. Just have a bunch of old guys. Can we not? Oh. Damn salary cap, bro. Jimmy Graham. Let's see here. I do kind of like this new layout. It really just like brings me back to like Madden 08. Like all the old PS2 Maddens, bro. This is exactly what it, kind of the same layout that it had, you know? Melvin Ingram. Bad. No, I kind of wish we could get Howard, but it is what it is. Go to the next week against the Cardinals. I think we'll skip these this week. Just let the CPU do it quick. Get this game over with, get into regular season, bro. Javante with the upgrade. That's what we like. Do want to get him more elusive. Javante's one of those guys that I'm going to have to figure out this year if I want to develop him or just get rid of him. Okay, I mean, we got Estime and McLaughlin back there now. Let me see if I can make a couple trades, and if not, I'll let you guys know. Alright, we did end up making a trade. So we're getting rid of P. Ryan Patrick and Troutman, and our third rounder this year for Brooks, and the Dolphins' fourth rounder this year. So not a bad pickup for us. We can also try to get rid of Alex Singleton. Now we got Jordan Brooks in. He's just old, kind of eating up a contract here. We don't need that. Honestly, I'm fine. I'm just gonna look for a team that needs middle linebacker pretty bad, and then just try and ship them off as cheap as possible. Got young guys. Let's send them off to Indy. Get like a fourth, and let's trade our 6. Oh, I kind of want a later pick. Fourth next year. Alright, that'll do it. Alright, let's get into this last game against the Cardinals. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. Figure out who's staying on our team and who's getting the boot. Oh, I'm scared of Marvin Harrison, bro. Oh, what are you doing? Zay Jones with the touchdown. Alright. I see him. Bo Nix. Get it off to Sutton quick. Try and run some hurry up here. Ooh, I don't like that. Hit as we threw. Still not showing me the draft board. Alright. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Oh, get up there, Greg. Yeah, Greg Powers threw for the first. Don't know how he did it, but he did it. Let's get Mills going here. And we're sacked right away. Nothing we could even do about that. Philip Dorsett dives up to 3. I do want a little bit of announcer sound here, because we do have new announcers this year. I just don't know if 100 is going to be too loud. Maybe do 75. Stadium speakers, we'll turn those down. Down to like 50, something like that. I mean, I'm the commentator, but there you go. Bo Nix takes off. touchdown on the ground himself. Hand it off with Javonte, gets the first. Set off to Reynolds. Reynolds up to the 4. We're gonna run hurry up. Javonte with the ball. Dives in, gets the touchdown. Hit as he threw. Met by 3 defenders there. All coming in for the sack. Go with a little screen here. It's a good block, Javonte. Big run. Gain of 18 up to the 28. Get a little draw play here. Oh, I wanted Sutton. Alright, throw on the run to Dorsett. Coming across the field, gets it. 40 seconds left here in the first half. Touchdown before halftime would be huge. Oh, we're going to sneak it into there, Sutton. Hit as he catches it though. Comes up incomplete. I'll lob it up to Reynolds on the sideline, out of bounds. 29 seconds left. We got verticals here. Oh, man. Oh, no. Not the fake I thought I did. I clicked the wrong button. Alright. Well, forget that ever happened here, huh? Turner yell with the boomstick. Has him come up short. 7 seconds left. Jones hits him right before getting in. 2 seconds left. We're gonna call it timeout. Matt Prater, kick is good. It's at 14-13. Let's get this one. We'll just go into the 4th here. Don't want this video being too long right away. We're already coming up on a full hour. I mean, I'm gonna cut it down a lot for you guys. I'm gonna do a lot of cutting this year, I think. I do want them to be like Bengals videos where they're, you know, 40 minutes to an hour long, but I don't know. I could tell. I could tell when we did Jets franchise, it started falling off a little bit, like people didn't really stay all the way through videos, which I don't expect to. It is hard, and it's hard, like, especially for me, because I'm still, like, getting into the groove of everything, and trying things out, you know. So I don't have, like, that full I can sit here and commentate for 3 hours, you know? Bad throw. Yeah, alright. I'm just gonna take that one to the house. Skip. Skibbity. Down by 3. Who do they got in here now? It's Ritter. Desmond Ritter? Ooh, good breakup. Damari Mathis. Gotta get up to the 43 for Matt Prater to attempt a field goal here. Like a hiding. What number is he wearing? 23. Didn't want to kick him out of bounds, but is that Greg Dortch? Ugh. McMillan should have got that. At least broken it up. Tried punching the ball out. 32 seconds left. They're down by 3. Touchdown here would be huge for them. Gonna try and play outside because we have inside help. I'm gonna play outside. It doesn't go outside at all. I put like minimal outside there. Alright, see what Zach Wilson could do here in crunch time. 25 seconds left, 3 timeouts. Yeah, he's gonna fumble. Nice. That's what we like. We're not even gonna call it timeout here. Well, let's call it a game. Zach Wilson not gonna be named the starter. Obviously, it'd be Bo Nix, even though I only saw a lot with Zach Wilson, but what am I gonna do? Start that man? I don't know. Jared Stidham get in the boot though. That is one thing for sure. Let's see. Alright. Big to say 16 people. Alright, let's do storylines first. Staff stuff, and then head into the team meeting now. Be right there. Ready for the team culture speech? I know we do this every year. I'm ready. Great, see you in the meeting. Alright. What is our culture gonna be? Losing. Losing as a team. This morning I want to talk to you about our team culture. Our culture defines how we play every single week. What culture do you want us to embrace? I want to be disciplined. Mistake-free football. Play smart and disciplined. Great. Thanks, Bo. The players will receive a 3+ boost for the entire season in pursuit and play recognition on defense and carrying on offense. Alright. I like that. Cut 16 people. Get you for a bony. Get out of here. Start a quarterback room here. did him. It's 3-0 back. Keeping Zach as backup. Running back room looks good. Fullback. Get out of here. Who uses fullbacks anymore? Wide receivers. Oh, let's see. Sutton. Reynolds, Dorsett, Franklin, Melee, Sills, not Stills, Lil Jordan Humphrey. Get rid of this guy. Brandon Johnson, Michael Bandy, Jalen Virgil. Jalen's fast, we'll get rid of Bandy. That's about the same age. Flip Dorsett, I don't know yet. Tight ends. Keep 32. We should probably get rid of Bowles. Probably trade him right now because he's 31. I don't want a bunch of old guys on the team, right? Like Throckmorton? Did I say Throckmorton? We'll get rid of this guy. Madden can stay. Get rid of Jordan Jackson. Elijah Garcia can be gone. Thomas Incoon. Keep those guys. Justin Strenard, rid of him. We have Andre Smith. Jordan Ellis will keep. Smart Mathis, Chris Abrams. Let's see here. We'll get rid of Tremont Smith. Keep McMillan. Get rid of Devon Key. Got 2 more to get rid of here. PJ Locke. We'll try and work on JL Skinner this year. I was excited that we drafted him last year. So I do want to work on getting him up. Trenton Gill, get out of here. Alright. Advanced week. Week 1 against the Seahawks will be our next video. Choose draft class first. Auto-generated. And first glance, I don't even know, bro. We'll set our season goal. I think we can get 7 wins, but I'm hoping we don't, so we can get a pretty high pick. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Keep an eye out for more Madden 25 content. Depending upon how videos do and everything, maybe we'll do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday Madden, and then Saturday we'll do just a different game with me and Sean. Excuse me. Different game with me and Sean. Like I said, either that's Counter-Strike, Rocket League, whatever. I'll also try and figure out audio issues. Sorry again if it was a little not great this video, but like I said, first video, new setup. Didn't really have a whole lot of time to test it out, but let's go do it. See you guys in the next one. Until then, stay cool. Peace.